Hey, good Sunday morning to you. So we got another unboxing here this morning. It's another Ryobi One Plus item. It is the 18 volt multi-tool variable speed dial for multiple material applications. It's just the tool. It's good for wood cutting, PVC cutting, sanding, drywall, grout removal. So in the box it's going to have the two different cutting tips, a sander adapter, the Allen wrench. It says here lock button for less user fatigue during extended use, variable speed dial for use with different materials, convenient onboard Allen wrench storage. So it has the Ryobi 3-year guarantee. So let's go ahead and open it. I got some molding trim that I need to cut as I'm laying new flooring in, so that's what I got it for. Got our box, our Allen wrench, the actual tool. It feels just like the drill or the skill saw, jigsaw. We have our variable speed dial right here. Our extended trigger pull, you pull it, push that, it's going to keep the trigger in. And typical Ryobi feel, color, rubber handles. In our bag here, we have the sanding disc for the base for the sander. Looks like we got 4, 5, 6 different grits of sandpaper. A square, I guess you'd call it the cutter. And a rounded cutter. So what we're going to do is we'll put a blade on here, and then the next segment will actually show us using it, give you our thoughts on it, and then we'll let you go from there. So be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm going to cut this molding here, and we're going to mark it. All right, let's see if we can do this. And all right, so that's how you do it. So if you can, give us a thumbs up, like, share, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or want to see another practical aspect of it, let me know. And until next time, thanks again, and God bless. Bye.